And so we drive by this guy, and he is a tow truck, and he's stuck, and we're like, nothing we can do about that there, bud. See you later. So I was at the beach the other day being an Instagram douchebag, and I ran into this guy, and he's like, you probably shouldn't drive your bikes down on the beach. And Jeffrey's like, oh, it's only like 6 billion kilometers over to that side, let's go. So I always take on after him, trying to catch it all on camera for the glorious, wonderful things that are going to happen. It would scare the shit out of this couple. They're like, what the hell? And these kids are like, oh, look, mama whale. Keep on going, see the local mafia, decide it's time to dig a hole in the sand and hang out like a beach whale. And it's picture opportunity. Now that we got that out of the way, we got the beach whale freed. Back into the shallow water she goes to hang out, wait for my ass. We start driving along, all is well, and then he hits the deep mud and sand and ruins probably every bearing on that motorcycle. So he keeps on going for a while, no issue there, and just keeps having a good time on the beach there, and just keeps on going, and more mud and more salt and more death to the motorcycle, and just like that, he's on 3 cylinders. Yep, that's 3 cylinders down to 3 cylinders. Went from a GL 1100 to a GL 800. My math isn't the best. I'm only from Canada. Anywho, he just keeps on trucking, just keeps on giving her the gas, and oh shit, almost loses her again, and that's a truck in the distance. We're like, oh yeah, I guess it's not so bad there, eh? And then we go through some more deep mud and sand and shit, and we're like, holy shit. And he's struggling to keep her on the beach, struggling. Almost got her in the ocean there, though. And so we drive by this guy, and he is a tow truck, and he's stuck, and we're like, nothing we can do about that there, bud. See you later. We just keep on puttering along, and things dry out for a bit, actually get pretty good. And then things narrow, instant death on the left, death to the bike on the right, and Jeff's like, you know what, fuck it, I'm going for it. Ends up in the ocean, there he is, just driving through the ocean. Oh, look at that. And he's down to 3 cylinders again, just like that. Bam, bam, looks down. Oh, yep, lots of smoke powering out. Nope, that's all that took. Yep, Anyway, so he just keeps on driving through the sand and the salt and the mud and the wet and the ocean and seaweed, and he's like, yeah, look at me, I'm super fucking cool. And yeah, that's basically all the excitement for the beach. You can see coming up ahead, we have a few stoners there on their surfboards. And yeah, near the end there, Jeffrey almost eats shit one more time. And then we call that a day and go to the car wash and make Jeff do all the work and take care of my bike. And his is still covered in sand. So that's basically our day at the beach.